Hi guys! Welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode, we're going to make cashew chicken. Let's get started. We have here, of course, cashew nuts, chicken. I use chicken breasts, white pepper, salt, tapioca starch. You can also use cornstarch. It's the same. I have 1 egg here. Half of lemon, I'm going to take the juice. That's Hoisin sauce. Basically, it's kind of the same like oyster sauce. It's called Hoisin. In Cantonese means seafood, but it has nothing to do with the seafood at all. If you're allergic to seafood, you can use this instead of oyster sauce. I have some soy sauce, of course, oil. I use sunflower oil. You can also use vegetable oil. I have a cup of mushroom, a cup of red pepper, cornstarch, and some water. I'll start by toasting my cashew nuts. I'm going to use medium heat. During the time, I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'm gonna put in the white pepper inside, about 1.5 teaspoons, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, a pinch of salt, put in the egg and the starch and mix it all together. And then put the chicken aside. My cashews now are done. I'm gonna put them aside. I have a wok, but I want to use this skillet because the color is white so you can see better. I'm just gonna put some sunflower oil to fry the chicken first. I'm just going to use the chopsticks. I think it's a lot easier. That's my opinion. If you are vegetarian and you don't eat meat, you can replace the chicken with a tofu or with tempeh. I have about 350 grams of chicken here. It's going to serve probably 2 to 3 people. The cornstarch or the tapioca starch will keep the chicken soft and crispy at the same time. Juicy, soft inside, crispy outside. That's what we want. Look at that golden brown color. Looks so fantastic. Seven to 8 minutes later, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna put it in my garlic. red paprika inside. Oh, look at that color. It looks fantastic. Makes you just hungry. And my mushroom. This is brown champignon mushrooms. My hoisin sauce inside, about 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce, also about 2 tablespoons, a little bit of water. Put it with higher heat. My lemon juice. Before you put salt inside, you should try it because the hoisin sauce and the soy sauce is already salty. Oh, it is so good. I put some water into the starch. Put the chicken inside. Put the starch inside. There you go. Soon as you see the color has changed, like from the sauce, it's a bit transparent, it's done. Oh, look at that, it looks so yummy. So I'm gonna put my cashews inside. You can also fry your cashews. And of course, some green onions. Look at that. Now the fun part, to try it. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna try the chicken and the mushroom first. The chicken is so soft, so tender inside. The hoisin sauce and the lemon juice. So if you want something quick, cashew chicken with some rice or some noodles. Yummy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. See you next episode. Bye.